morning students. This is second part of lesson number 13, chemical change and chemical bond. Students, we bring about many chemical changes for our use in everyday life. Let us see some of them today. The chemical change that we have saw in the first activity is used in the cold drink called soda lemon. It means that it is an useful man-made chemical change. Wood, coal, petrol or cooking gas are burned for getting energy. The common substance that burns in all these fuels is carbon. During the combustion process, means the burning process, carbon combines with oxygen in air and the product carbon dioxide is formed. Let us see how to write word equation for this process. Word equation for combustion is carbon plus oxygen, which gives carbon dioxide. And the chemical equation for the same is C plus O2, means carbon plus oxygen gives CO2, means carbon dioxide. Combustion of fuel is a fast and irreversible chemical change. Irreversible change means the chemical reaction that takes place in only one direction. Cleaning of tiles with an acid is also an useful man-made chemical change. The chemical composition of Shahbaz tile is mainly calcium carbonate. During its cleaning with hydrochloric acid, the upper layer of the tile reacts with hydrochloric acid and three products are formed. One of them is calcium chloride, which is being soluble in water, gets washed away with water. The second product is carbon dioxide, and that's why we see bubbles coming when we clean the tiles. The third product is water, which mixes with the water which we use for cleaning. Let's see how to write word equation for this reaction. Calcium carbonate means the Shahbaz tile plus hydrochloric acid. Reaction between them gives calcium chloride plus carbon dioxide and water. Have you ever seen scaly stuff on shower head or white color iron dirt deposits on water heater? Why does this happen? It happens because of hard water. Hard water is water that has high mineral content. To overcome all the problems related to the hard water softening should be done. Water softening is the removal of calcium, magnesium and certain other metal ions from the hard water. Water in some wells or tube wells is hard water. It is brackish, means slightly salty to taste, and does not form lather or foam with soap. This is because hard water contains the chloride and sulfate salts of calcium and magnesium in dissolved state. Hot water is softened by adding solution of washing soda to it. This results in the formation of a precipitate of insoluble salts of calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. As the dissolved salt of calcium and magnesium go out in the form of precipitate of the carbonate salts, the water is softened. Word equation for this chemical change is calcium chloride plus sodium carbonate gives calcium carbonate plus sodium chloride, and chemical equation is CaCl2, that is calcium chloride plus Na2CO3. It is sodium carbonate gives CaCO3, means calcium carbonate plus NaCl, means sodium chloride. We saw that composition of matter changes during a chemical change and new substances having different properties are formed. When this happens, some chemical bonds in the reactants break and new substances called products are formed by formation of new chemical bonds. We also know that number of chemical bonds formed by an atom is equal to its valency. Like here, valency of hydrogen is 1, oxygen is 2, nitrogen is 3 and carbon is 4. But what is meant by chemical bond? Let us see. We have seen relation between electronic configuration and valency of an element. Noble gases do not form any chemical bond as their electron octet or duplet is complete. Atoms with incomplete electron octet or duplet form chemical bonds. Reason for this is that an atom uses its valence electrons during formation of chemical bond. By forming a chemical bond, atom acquires a stable electronic configuration. That is, octet means 8 electrons in the outermost shell, or duplet means 2 electrons in the outermost shell. Chemical bonds are of two types: ionic bond and covalent bond. Let us study first ionic bond. The chemical bond formed due to electrostatic force of attraction between the oppositely charged cation and anion is called an ionic bond. It is also called as electrovalent bond. The compound formed by means of one or more ionic bonds is called ionic compound. Ionic bond mainly form between metals and non-metals. Let's see how the compound sodium chloride is formed from the atoms of constituent element sodium and chlorine. Atomic number of sodium is 11. It has 2 electrons in the K shell, 8 electrons in the L shell, and only 1 electron in the outermost M shell. On loss of a valence electron from M shell, the shell L of sodium atom becomes an outermost shell. It has 8 electrons in it. Effectively, sodium attains an electron octet state. However, the electron number becomes 10 and number of proton is 11. Hence, the positive charge 11 on the sodium nucleus is imbalanced and sodium cation means positive ion is formed. Net positive charge on this ion is +1. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. It has 2 electrons in the K shell, 8 electrons in the L shell, and 7 electrons in the outermost M shell. It requires only 1 electron to complete an octet. By accepting 1 electron from the sodium, chlorine completes its octet. However, the charge balance is disturbed due to addition of an electron to the neutral chlorine atom. This results in the formation of chlorine anion which carries -1 negative charge. When the elements sodium and chlorine combine, an atom of sodium gives its valence electron to a chlorine atom, whereby the cations Na plus and anions Cl minus are formed. Due to the electrostatic force of attraction between oppositely charged ions, they get attracted to each other and chemical bond is formed between them. This results in the formation of compound sodium chloride, which is also called as table salt. The chemical bond formed by sharing of valence electron of two atoms with each other is called as covalent bond. One covalent bond formed by sharing of two valence electrons. Generally, a covalent bond is formed when atoms of two elements having similar properties combine. Such atoms cannot exchange electrons. Instead, these atoms share electrons with each other. The shared electrons become a common property of both the atoms and thereby the electron octet or duplet of both the atoms become complete. Hydrogen atom contains one electron. Its duplet is short of one electron and therefore the valency of hydrogen is 1. The two atoms of hydrogen are identical and have similar tendency and therefore they share their electrons with each other. As a result, the electron duplet of both the hydrogen atom is complete and a chemical bond is formed between them. This results in the formation of hydrogen molecule. Covalent bond between two atoms is also represented by dash joining their symbols. Water molecule of covalent compound is formed from hydrogen and oxygen atoms. There are 6 electrons in the valence shell of oxygen atom. It means that the electron octet in oxygen is short of 2 electrons and the valency of oxygen is 2. In water molecule, the oxygen atom completes its octet means 8 electrons in outermost shell by forming 2 covalent bonds, one each with the 2 hydrogen atoms. While this happens, the duplets of 2 hydrogen atoms also completed. Hope you all understood the topic.